How to change PIN in Smart Wallet. Are you looking to secure your Smart Wallet account by changing your PIN? Whether you want extra security or just want a new PIN, this guide will show you how you can easily change your PIN safely and quickly on Smart Wallet. So let's get started. First things first, launch Open Smart Wallet app on your device. Log in as you normally do, and from the wallet page, go ahead and tap on the Settings button at the bottom right corner. From the Settings menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on Security. On the next page, click on Change PIN. Now, enter your current PIN that you've previously set up for your Smart Wallet in the text box. Now, create a new PIN you want to change to. Confirm the new PIN by re-entering it again. And there you go. That is how you easily change your PIN in Smart Wallet. Next time, while you open up your Smart Wallet app, you'll be asked to enter a PIN where you need to enter your newly updated PIN to get access to your wallet. And that's it. That's how you change your PIN in Smart Wallet. Always keep your PIN confidential and avoid sharing it with anyone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.